Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really exciting to check out, the BMAX I11S Tablet. As you can see, the packaging looks great. It's sleek, compact, and definitely gives off a premium vibe. Now, let's talk about the specs. This tablet comes with a whopping 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, which is pretty impressive for a tablet in this range. I'm honestly really impressed with everything that's included. Here we have the 3.5mm headphones. Next, we have the stylus pen. Here's the tablet stand. This is so handy for watching videos or using the tablet hands-free. Also included is a screen cleaning wipe. Of course, we have the user manual, which is always helpful when setting up the tablet for the first time. Now, check this out. We get a wireless keyboard that connects via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Here's the protective case. It covers both the front and the back of the tablet, ensuring it's safe from scratches and drops. And finally, we have the USB-C charging cable. Unfortunately, there's no power adapter included. Now, let's check out the tablet. It feels premium in the hand and has a really sleek design. Here's the AI camera. I'll test it out more later. On top, we have the power button, volume controls, and microphone. On the right side of the tablet, we don't have any ports or buttons, keeping it nice and clean. On the bottom, we get stereo speakers. The left side has the 3.5mm port, micro SD slot, and USB-C port. Let's get it in the case and power it up. Alright, let's power up the tablet. The display looks really good right from the start, sharp and vibrant. I'm using the stylus pen now, and as you can see, it's responsive and smooth. Let me quickly dive into the settings. Everything is running really smoothly, no lag whatsoever. In the memory extension settings, you can see that this tablet has 4 gigabytes of RAM plus 8 gigabytes virtual RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Let me show you the display's dark theme now. Looks really sleek, right? But let me turn it off and switch back to the regular theme. Now let's test the display. I'm opening my latest video and the screen looks great. The colors are sharp and vibrant. Let's check the sound now. You can hear the stereo sound. It's pretty impressive for a tablet at this price. Now, let me take a quick shot with the 13 megapixel rear camera. The photo is decent, but it's not the best camera I've seen. It works well for basic shots though. Here's a selfie from the 5 megapixel front camera. It's good enough for basic needs, like video calls or casual selfies. The flash is a bit weak though, not great for low light situations. Let me compare it to an old phone. As you can see, the old phone's flash is much stronger than the one on this tablet, but for basic use, it should be okay. Let's see how it handles gaming. I'm jumping into a game now, and honestly, it runs really smoothly. No stuttering or frame drops. This tablet can handle even more demanding games without any issues. Here's another video. As you can see, the screen quality is really good, sharp, clear, and vibrant. Now, let me show you the wireless keyboard. It's really responsive and there's no lag when typing. It's great for typing up documents or emails. Here's the calculator app, and the keyboard works perfectly for inputting numbers and performing tasks. Honestly, this tablet is great for both casual and professional use. Now, let's try Google Maps. As you can see, everything runs smoothly. No lag or stuttering. It has enough RAM and processing power to handle multitasking without any problem. I can read the news, watch movies, play games, take calls, all on one device, and everything works seamlessly. This tablet is super versatile. If you're interested in getting this tablet, you can find the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more content like this.